to Mayor Along Bill Malapitan, esteemed city officials, members of the Board of Regents, university officials, faculty, guests, and to my fellow graduates, magandang umaga po. It is truly an honor to speak on behalf of the graduating class of 2025. As the Beatles' one song, "Here Comes the Sun," and I say, it's all right. Today, those lyrics feel especially meaningful. We've spent years navigating dense readings, nerve-wracking recitations, and exams that push to our limits. Not to mention countless sleepless nights filled with self-doubt, questioning whether we are truly meant for this. To call law school challenging would be an understatement, especially when paired with the realities of our personal lives. Many of us juggled full-time jobs. Some returned home each day to care for children and families. There were days we felt like giving up. Days when it seems like we were falling behind while the rest of the world kept moving forward. But still, we kept going. And we didn't do it alone. So our families and those closest to our hearts, thank you for your unwavering love, patience, and faith in us, even when we had none left for ourselves. You are our safe space, our cheerleaders, and the keepers of our sanity when everything felt overwhelming. So our professors and mentors, your guidance, tough love, words of encouragement, and belief in our potential kept us grounded. Thank you for shaping not just our legal minds, but our character as well as future officers of the court. To the University of Caloocan City College of Law, Mayor Along Malapitan, Dean Attorney Vera, Associate Dean Calizar, and staff, thank you for your invaluable guidance and unwavering support. Our journey here has been truly enriching. We came nothing but dreams. And because of you, we are now one step closer to making them a reality. Thank you for being the bridge that transforms our aspirations into real possibilities. Most of all, thank you for providing us, Batang Kamkalu, with quality yet affordable education. To one UCC and Attorney Neri Azurin, thank you for making our law school journey not only memorable but also meaningful and fun. Being part of this council taught us the true value of unity, teamwork, and purpose. We didn't just learn how to serve our dear barristers and fellow students, we learned how to work as one. So my fellow graduates, especially my core, future celebrity lawyer Cabral, working sister Karen, my cousin Calano, and my mama angel Yuki, thank you for being by my side through every breakdown, every late night review, every laugh, and every quiet moment when we were just trying to survive. You made this journey lighter, and I will always be grateful. Above all, to God, His grace and mercy carried us through the end. We stand here today not just through our strength, but His. And now, we made it. We wear this toga not just for ourselves, but for every version of us that once doubted we could. We carry the title Juris Doctor with pride because we know what it took to get here and who helped us along the way. The sun has finally come out, and for the first time in a long time, it truly feels alright. Muli, maraming salamat. Paa sa lupa, mata sa langit, UCC Taas Kalasan.
Thank you so much to the inspiring